Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice pitch in Capcut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Capcut. Open Capcut application, click on new project and import a video with the voiceover. Skip that step. So I'm going to add this video for example. Click on add. So once video is added, you need to select that, and once you select it, here you can see different options in the bottom. So you simply need to click on extract audio and then audio will be extracted. Select audio, go on to the voice effects, and here you can see different. So let me try this. So it will be let me volume up so you can listen this.
And now, Alhamdulillah, I read the Quran almost.
So you can select any of the effect from here and adjust pitch from here like this.
I
So
used to be one of those people that
So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.